Hi guys, what's up? Today we're gonna show you guys a new video, and the video of today we're gonna be in Roblox Terror, not Terrorful. Oh my God, Flute Escape. So guys, we're gonna play this game, and hopefully, I think I'm gonna lose, cause yeah, I think for this. But I don't know, but I hope to not lose. Oh my gosh, I am scared because it's coming, and we have to Flute Escape. Like, it's a game, and you actually it's a game, and what do you have to no, oh my gosh, I die. Okay, fine. What you have to do is to right, you try to escape it, and what you have to do is to get this button thread and try your best to do this, because if you're not, you're gonna lose and it will be something super bad. Oh my God, no, oh my God, you have to be so fast and not be fast, yeah, right, not be really fast and don't be ill. I doesn't know because I'm tired right now, but I say, what about if I record and yeah. Oh, I wanted to go to the hard mode. Try it if I were gonna survive. I hope not me alone. No. Bacon here, don't come over here. Go away. Exit. Oh my gosh. I don't have Robux to buy seven for buy it. I don't have Robux right now. But it's fine. Oh, I think bacon here is not a nope. And me die in bacon here, no. So guys, what about if I'm doing a lot of game, playing a lot of game? So we are playing Flute Escape. Let's play another game. So hopefully guys, I don't know which game I want to play it. Guys, Maddie J she online. Oh, gold stream, yeah. Okay guys, so hopefully I found the game I'm gonna play it is Superhero Tycoon. So let's see. Alright, I actually wanna flash, no. It doesn't know. I get lagging. No, I got the wrong here. I was one Iron Man. I love Iron Man. Oh. Let's get it. Oh yeah. I get this. Oh, go away from me. Go away. I want money. Guys, who like BTS? I like them too much. I love them too much. Oh, go away, girl. Why you are this? Oh no! I get it? Did I get it? I don't know. Do I get 500 or 1,000? Here before. Oh. they are a lot of money. I don't know why they are doesn't get it, but hopefully who will get it? Who will get it? Who will get it? Yeah. Hey girl, you're not gonna win for me. Yeah. Alright, so hopefully it doesn't know which one I want. But I doesn't know this one. What is this one? Oh, the whole no. Spider-Man. I doesn't know. Who have the Flash? Alright, I doesn't know, guys. So there are a lot of money here. Ooh. I like it. Oh my god. So guys, I don't know which I will gonna pick. So like, what about if we leave and go another one? Let's see. And like go another one server and see. So guys, hopefully I doesn't yeah, like I doesn't like any one of them, so so guys, I hope you're joining the video because I will close it. If you did, smash up like button and we're gonna see you next time. Goodbye.